The Bureau of Fire Protection, or BFP, reported the fire incidents related to fireworks have dropped as the year draws to a close, which is significantly lower compared to last year. BFP spokesperson, Fire Senior Superintendent Annalie Atienza, says they remain on red alert status to prevent further firecracker-related incidents. Atienza urged the public to avoid setting off firecrackers and instead watch fireworks displays at designated community areas to ensure safety. Meanwhile, electrical ignition or fires caused by faulty electrical wiring remain the leading cause of fire incidents.
Simula po nung nag-pandemic ay naglaylo dahil ang activities ng mga tao, ng mga kababayan natin ay limited din. So ngayon na back to normal na tayo at ganoon na rin po ang mga activities natin mas nadagdagan pa. At ayon po sa datos natin, ang top cause of fire natin sa ngayon ay electrical ignition. So tama po yung nabanggit nyo. Ito po may kinalaman sa ating kuryente. Kasama na po dyan yung itong kamakailan na insidente ng sunog na accordingly sa witnesses ay dahil nga po sa Christmas lights.